Hello, in this video, we are going to see Google Camera Go for Samsung A50. Google just released their Google Cam Go for Android Go powered budget devices. This extracted APK works on our Galaxy A50 but doesn't apply the processing as of now. Now, with little bit of tweaking and updates to this camera in upcoming days, it might just work flawlessly on our device. Currently it supports portrait mode, normal photo video mode and translate mode. Here are some sample shot of Google Cam Go versus stock cam. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.